channel. I'm Monia. In today's video, we're going to be switching it up just a little bit because I am going to be reviewing for you guys luxury phone cases. And no, I am not talking about Louis Vuitton, Gucci, X, Y, and Z. I am talking about the beautiful and amazing Burga luxury phone cases. All right, you guys, if this is your first time watching any of my videos, welcome. I typically create content around luxury accessories such as handbags and SLGs, but I think that it's imperative that we normalize luxury into every aspect of our life. So not just handbags, not just wallets, but also the cell phone cases that we have, the candles that we burn in our house, even down to the type of shoes or socks that we wear. So if this is your first time watching any of my videos, go on ahead, hit the red button below, subscribe to my channel, and also hit the bell icon so that you receive notifications every time I upload a new video. I am really excited to be bringing this content to you guys because I have absolutely 100% fallen in love with my Burga cases. But all right, you guys, let's get started. So you guys, I thought that it would be super fun if we unboxed the phone cases on camera together. Burga sent me a total of 4 cases for my cell phone and then 2 cases for my laptop. I have gone on ahead and tried out one of the laptop cases and one of the cell phone cases as soon as I got the packaging, just because I wanted to make sure that the brand really did protect my cell phone, and I didn't want to lie to you guys on camera about the quality of the cases. So I'm super excited to share with you guys the first case that I opened up, and that's this one. It has my custom monogramming or personalization on the back, and it really does call out my middle name called Monia. It's a little bit harder to see on camera for the mere fact that the Monia is in white font, but I thought that you guys would really welcome seeing this, and the fact that Burga does not charge extra for the personalization of your phone cases. And I thought that was a major win because most brands do charge you extra to personalize your phone cases, but I thought that this was super cute and super adorable, especially like this pink and yellow colors in the case. I just thought it was super, super cute. I also wanted to call out that the type of case that I have on my cell phone right now is considered a Burga Tough case, and that's because it has the plastic backing on the basically back of the phone, but then on the inside of the phone it has this silicone lining so that it protects your phone from impact or shock impact if it hits the ground. And I can actually demo for you guys how easy it is to put the cell phone case on your phone. So this is the case without my cell phone in it. Here is the silicone inner and then the plastic outer, and again, super, super cute, and it's actually kind of lightweight, which I love because it doesn't make my cell phone feel heavy. I have the iPhone XR, which actually, you guys, is another point, the fact that Burga has phone cases for all of the various iPhones out there. So I don't have the newest iPhone out on the market, yet Burga still had a phone case that could work for my cell phone size. So basically what you do is you take your phone, you take the plastic inner, and you just place your cell phone right on the inside. And then you take your hard plastic outer and you slide it into place on the silicone inner, and just like that, your phone is ready to go. Super cute, and it's even protected. So opening up this one, I do want to call out the fact that I love that Burga puts their phone cases in the super cute velvet bag, and that this bag has little tassel drawstrings, and that it has the brand name Burga on the front. So opening this guy up, sliding it open. Oh my gosh, you guys, this case is so cute. Oh, I love the colorations of this one. So this one is more of like a neutral color palette. It has more cooler tones in it with the whites and the gray, and then it has like hints of gold, flex and sparkles. I really do love this phone case. I also love the fact that it's a faint like brand name call out at the bottom. I love that it's not like in your face and loud, but this is super, super cute. Oh my goodness. You guys let me know your ideas down below. Jumping in to our second case, let's see what this guy looks like. Oh my gosh. You guys, I love this one. It has the beautiful like bumblebee detailing on it. And oh my gosh, and then like flowers in the background. I really love this case as well. I think this one's my favorite. Ooh, I really love this one. This would be perfect for like the spring summer time frame. Oh my goodness. You guys, let me know your thoughts on this one down below, because I think that I'm liking the second one a little bit more than the first one. All right, you guys, so here is the third one. Let's see how this one looks. Go, go, go. Here we go. Oh my goodness. You guys, look at this one. It's so cute. Oh, I love the colorations of this one. Pink and like silver and gold. Oh, this one looks so amazing as well. Ah, I'm torn. Oh my goodness. It's so cute. What do you guys think? Like, please let me know your comments down below, because I love this one as well. So you guys, out of all three cases, I definitely would have to say that this one, the Bumblebee, is definitely my first favorite. Then my second favorite is this like pink purple marbly one. And then my third favorite is this like white and gray combo. You guys know that like I am a big fan of the color pink, so I think that's why I'm leaning toward this like purple one. But then I also think that this like Bumblebee one looks so elevated, and oh my gosh, I still love this one as well. It's just, honestly, you guys, I love all three of them. I honestly do. You guys comment down below and tell me which one you think like you would love to rock, because I love them all. I legitimately love them all. The next thing that I wanted to show you guys that Burga sent me, which I have fallen in love with, is this amazingly cute MacBook Air case. Isn't this, guys, like the cutest case ever? I love the fact that the front of the case actually matches my iPhone. Isn't that so cute? And then the fact that the back of the case is white and has like little feet to protect the bottom of my MacBook Air. But I think that the quality of this case is amazing. It's super, super strong, and it's actually not that heavy. And again, the fact that it matches my cell phone is just like an extra added bonus to me, because I think they look so cute together. I also wanted to show you guys the other MacBook Air case that they sent me. I love the color of this one as well. This whole like pink marbled look. I think it looks super, super elevated. And then again, showing you guys that the backing of the case is just clear, and it also has the open slots so that your MacBook can breathe. But I just think that this looks super elevated and so cute. All right, you guys, so that's the end of this video. I was checking out the Burga website and wanted to call out a few other categories that they also feature on their website. And it's not just phone cases or custom phone cases and MacBook cases. You guys, they also sell AirPods, they sell phone rings, they sell screen protectors, leather goods, and actual charging devices for your phones. So go on ahead, check out the website down below, use my promo code and receive a discount. And you guys, comment below and tell me which of the phone cases or the laptop cases was your favorite. I'm still using my Monia case just because I love that it's monogrammed and has my middle name on it. So this one right now is the one that I'm gonna use, but I wanna know which one you guys love the most. So let me know down below. Use my discount code, get a discount on the phone case, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!